Sometimes you just want to upscale a typical leaf. So I'm using a gold rose print tissue paper. I found this on Amazon, and I will put the link below. It also comes in a shade of slightly pink, but I went for the clear white. And I'm going to make my leaf 6 layers of tissue and then 1 extra layer on top of this printed tissue. Now this would work with any printed tissue. So any pattern you like, you can put over your leaves, and it just makes it look really upscale and a little more elegant, and you don't actually have to hand paint the leaves. So I'm going to cut these into strips per my leaf size. So always make sure your mat is level against your table and is straight. I have 3 different leaf sizes that I'm going to cut rows for. So you need to think about how many strips you need. How many leaves do you want to make? And you can see just this one row, you'll get at least 10 leaves per row. So then it's this beautiful strip, and this is what we'll put the wire between and glue together. But you see how the gold print really will look nice on this. The other colors I'm using are yellow, orange, this real dark green, which has like a bluish tint, which is why I throw in the orange, and then 2 light green and the 1 gold print. So we're ready to glue together our gold trimmed rose leaves. I did fit 10 wires in the middle of the layers. I actually put it 3 layers deep and glued them with a little bit of tacky glue, just to have the wires stick in place, because we are going to flip these over to make sure that the glue goes through. This top layer with the gold is a little tricky to work with. It's got a waxy finish to it, so you definitely need to put a lot of weight down on the boards when you're done to make sure it binds. So I've mixed our glue mixture, and I'm just going to start brushing them. Don't forget to take your paper clips off. And now everything's kind of loose, so you want to be very gentle on your board, because you do not want these layers to shift. When you glue, you kind of want to do 1 quick swoop down the center, and that will kind of get your layers stuck in place. So now it's okay if it shifts. So while that's penetrating through, just keep moving down. And like I said, we'll come back and flip that strip over. You want to use a light stroke. You're going to be shocked at how little went through, and this is why we flip. That wax paper on top really prevents it. So you really need to flip them, then kind of hit it from the other side. Okay, so once you see the real color starting to penetrate through of the leaf, you see all the colors starting to blend together like this, and it's fun. Then you know you've gone all the way through, but again, be gentle. When you've glued all of your strips onto the parchment paper, you can take another layer of parchment paper and cover it the same way. And you can reuse these the next time you make paper. Use the same sheets, as long as it's green, as long as you're making something green. So now you really just want to press down. You can also use a rolling pin and just make sure everything has gotten through. That's it. Now, if you were going to make another board, you'd put another cardboard box with parchment paper and make another board. But otherwise, you just layer on weight and let it sit for about 48 hours. Remove the weight and peel up the top layer of parchment paper. Your leaves should peel easily off the bottom layer. Now that your paper is dry, you can cut out your leaf shapes. Once you separate the strip, you can cut about 3 leaves at one time by clamping the wires together with a craft clip. Mist your leaf a little bit before taping it. It helps to make the tab at the end a little more pliable. Here are my finished rose leaves. I think they came out really great with the gold print on them. Let me know how you made out. I'd love to hear what kind of leaves you created. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.